What's cracking, ladies and gents? We are back today with another review video, and this is a car that I've been absolutely buzzing to review on the channel. And that is because finally we are getting a muscle car onto the channel to review, and it is this absolute weapon. It is a Ford Mustang Saleen 281. So yes, I spoke to a friend of mine, Pete, who owns this car, and he said, look, take it out, get it on the channel, show everyone what an amazing car it is. And let's just start by looking at it. This thing is an absolute weapon, and we've seen this car on the channel before because that exhaust is so loud, and I will be doing a video for you later because Pete would want me to do that. But this thing is gorgeous, and if you've followed the channel for a while, you know I love a muscle car and I love a Mustang. I've had two in my life, but this is just something else. It is such a gorgeous car, and I've driven it up here already, and it is so twitchy, so powerful. It's absolutely insane. So I asked Pete for a spec sheet because I can't remember all of this. I want to know kind of a bit more about it and obviously what's been done to the car. So it's a 2005 Saleen Mustang S281. Normally the Mark 5s are an S197, but when Saleen take it in, it becomes a 281. Very limited for numbers, and his is number 512 for the year. It makes just under 400 brake horsepower, so kind of similar to the Evo with the valves shut and just over with them open. Pretty much standard when he got it, but it's got Ford Performance hot rod cams, racing header, one-off exhaust by ATM Engineering with the valves mounted by the manifolds, air intake, and then that's pretty much it for performance mods. Has bonnet vents, hood pins, different stripes to when it should have come based on a Hemi Cuda, and yeah, pretty much that is it. Also, Saleen update the brakes, wheels, suspension, change the seats, bumpers, and the exhaust system, which is an absolute amazing sounding system, which obviously I'm going to give to you at some point, and Pete would want me to. He'd want me to do justice, because when you rev this thing, it sounds absolutely insane, and it's so loud. So little look internally for you as well. Inside, leather seats. So these are the ones that are upgraded by Saleen, as you can see, branded Saleen on the back. Same in the back as well. Saleen, 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 Saleen. And then if we get, it's really comfy. Steering wheel, Saleen manufactured in the USA, as you can see there. Absolutely stunning. So like I say, number 512, 5-speed manual gearbox as well, obviously left-hand drive, so a little bit of getting used to there. And pretty much that's it. It's pretty basic on the inside, but like I said, it is really comfy. And I've driven in Mustangs before. I always find them really comfy. The red one I had, which was the 2016 European one, the right-hand drive, was the comfiest car I've ever had. I can tell you that now. So getting back in this is lovely as well. So yeah, really nice interior, comfy, nice drive. And like I say, the little drive that I've had up here so far, wow, blew my mind. And the noise, it's insane. It makes me want to get another V8, trust me. Okay, so if we come around the back, so this is the custom exhaust system, and it doesn't look much there, but it is absolutely insane how loud it is. And it's also got a flamethrower kit, which I've seen in action and is crazy. Once we've got it warm, we've gone for a bit of a drive, I'll give you that button and we'll give it some beans as well. But let's take a little look underneath. So yeah, custom exhaust system from, I think it was ATM Engineering, as Pete said, all the way stemming back through there. But like I say, it just looks like a normal exhaust, but it is so freaking loud. It's insane, trust me, it sounds so good. Right, I'm going to get her started and we're going to go for a little drive, get her a little bit warmer, and then we'll give you some revs, but you're going to be able to hear it anyway, because inside this car in the cabin it's so loud, but it sounds so good. So I'm going to get the camera set up out the back, we're going to get the car started so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll go for a drive. That sounds so good. Listen to that shot. let's get you set up and we'll go for a drive. Right folks, so I don't know how close I am. I've had to put the camera on the other side, but we are going to go for a little drive now. Nearly stalled it. We're all good. So we're going to go for a little drive. You can see what this thing sounds like. Oh wow. I don't know how close I am to this, I'm sorry as well, but hopefully you can hear that noise. Let me do the windows up a little. Let's put them down a little bit. That's insane. Let me just move that camera up a little bit. There we go. Wow. So, like, just raspy. It's absolutely insane. It drives really well. Do you know the only thing that I'm not struggling with, but I find a little bit like the clutch is quite heavy. It's quite a stiff clutch, quite a heavy clutch. So yeah, that's the only thing. So we're going to go on. Going to get it on the motorway or on the dual carriageway. But the ride's not too bad. It's a little bit bumpy, but you know, it's good fun. The sound is insane, trust me guys. Like, I wish you could be in here with me. It sounds absolutely mega. Okay, so we're pulling on dual carriageway. Going gear. Getting used to it. I've got to change gear with my right hand as well. So. Good, lovely, clear path. Wow, what a sound. Let's do all the windows up. And all the windows are up, so I don't know, hopefully this might sound better, it might sound worse, I don't know, it might not be able to notice it as much. Wow, it sounds insane. Steering's really nice, position's really nice. Obviously left-hand drive, it feels a bit weird. You do tend to find yourself going over to the right. You're a little bit like, but apart from that, it's good fun. Really, really good fun. Wow. You can't beat a V8. I'm sorry, I love my Evo, I do. And I love JDM cars. They're my two passions. My two passions are American Muscle and JDM. They're my two passions. But this thing is insane. If I drop it a gear, right? Wow. Just the sound. That exhaust system is something else. And like I say, it's a one-off. So it's bespoke, which is amazing. It's great to have that on a car because it's custom to you. Like, this thing is known in the area of car shows as well to be a very loud car. A very, very loud car. Now, Pete also told me there's a flamethrower type kit on here as well. I've heard this, but obviously I've never been in the car when it's doing it. So there's a little button which I'm going to flick and we're going to see what happens. Where's the little button? And there's somewhere that, I believe, should be it. So we'll see what happens when we give it some beans. I can't get over the chop. I literally can't get over that noise. That sound is insane. Just getting used to the drive as well. That's the other thing. Right. I think we've pushed it on correct. So good. Wow. Sounds insane. Trust me, that thing is so everyone else is loving this. People are like, go on, send it. So cool. Oh, wow. I need a V8 in my life. Right, I need people to comment and tell me if I get rid of the Evo, should I get like a Charger or a Challenger or something? I feel like I need to do it. I don't know why. I love a Charger, I love a Challenger, I love a V8, and I love JDM cars, but this thing sounds absolutely insane. I can't believe how good this thing is. Just the noise. Oh, wow, so good. The thing is as well, people say that these sorts of cars, like American cars, big cars, aren't for British roads. They are. British roads are only getting bigger. If you think about it, we're getting more motorways, we're getting more dual carriageways, you know, everything, roads are getting wider, spaces are getting smaller, but seriously, like, these cars are perfectly fine, and people are like, oh, they won't be able to handle. This handles fine. You know, yes, I'm not trying to fly around the B road in it, but, you know, which you might do in, say, like, the Civic or even the Evo. But when you can open the pipes up with this thing, it's pretty darn cool. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty damn cool. This car is just amazing. I can't fault it. It's a great car. And when I had my 2016 one, the red one, the right-hand drive version, the European one, I kind of wish I'd not got rid of it, because I would have loved to have known where it would have been right now, but it's led me to get the Evo, and that caused me to start the channel, which means I can do cool stuff like this. I wouldn't have been doing this if that path hadn't been taken, so I don't regret it, but you know, there's always that opportunity for me for change, and to maybe change the car and get something different. And yeah, I don't know what I'd get, but this thing is cool. It makes me remember why I love American muscle cars. I really, really do. Okay guys, so I think I found the switch for the flame kit. I think it makes some bangs and stuff. I think. Oh yeah, wow. Now I can hear the rasp from the exhaust when I do that. That's different. Wow, okay. Yeah, when you get a certain rev, you can hear that rasp from the exhaust. Wow, okay, that's different. Now I know I found, so you have to flick the switch up, and then there's another switch you have to flick. Why is it so complicated? I thought it was just going to be like, you know, like a flick one switch. Anyway, we found it now, so we just need to find a nice bit of road where we can give it a blast. Right, we found what we think is a little bit of a straight. Let's see. Wow! Wow! Woohoo! That rasp! Yeah, that's valves open. Now we've found the valves open. Jeez. Literally, it's like nothing, and then it's like just hits a point, and you can hear that rattle. The valves are open, the exhaust is just like more raspy. Wow, that's cool. I think if you rev it higher, we ran out of road, but if you rev it higher, you literally get like a bang. Oh, it's just scary when you're going past people's cars. Oh my good lord. Please tell me you can hear that. Oh my. Wow. Please tell me you can hear that noise. That is insane. Okay, we've got a little bit of a straight. What are we in second? Let's get past this little slowy down thing while that person curbs it. Smart move. love it. I can't find anything wrong, and it's probably just me being so overwhelmed, but can you blame me? Okay guys, so we've just quickly done the drive. I'm gonna just give you a little blip. One, because we know the microphone on here sometimes just doesn't take loud exhaust like this really, really well. And two, I just can't find anywhere to actually get a good spot to give it a rev. And three, it's really, really loud. So we don't want anyone calling the police. But let's give you a little blip. But you can hear the valves are open now. Listen to that. Just listen how loud that is. Like now, without me doing anything, I'm gonna give it a little blip. Now, I don't know if that would have picked it up or not, but that was so loud. Wow. I don't know, I think it might have just made my microphone just pretty much die, but that is absolutely insane. And I'm just going to shut the door quickly, and then we are going to wrap up this video here, because this is an absolute weapon of a car. So as a muscle owner, like, all I can say first is thanks to Pete for letting me take this out. He's at work, he didn't want to come on the channel. He's too busy with other stuff, like, so when people are busy, for them to let me take their pride and joy out is kind of cool. And luckily Adam, a friend of mine who does the valeting, was looking after it, and he said, yeah, before it gets valeted, just go and take it out for a blast, do a video. So a massive thanks to Pete for letting me do that. And this has really made me want to get another muscle car. That exhaust is so loud, and when you go to a show, seriously, this car is such a centerpiece. If there's a rev off and this starts up, people want to hear it. It's such a spectacle, and I absolutely love it. So like I say, massive thanks to Pete, really appreciate it, because you know, it's great to be able to take these sorts of things out, experiencing them, sorry, I've lost my words, and just having an absolute blast. So I'm going to finish it there. We're going to get one last picture with it. Look at that in the background. It looks absolutely stunning. Like, and that picture there with like dusty roads, if you forget the houses in the background, the dusty roads, it just looks like it's at home. You know, if you look down there, forgetting that little speed bump, straight road, perfect for an American muscle car. We know I love American muscle. I might have to get another one. I might have to get a Charger or a Challenger down the line at some point, or another Mustang. But this has been an absolute blast. Keep sharing, keep supporting. I appreciate your support so much. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know, did you enjoy this review? Did you like this car? Because I absolutely loved it. So hopefully we'll see you in the next one when we do it. We'll see you there. And remember as well, actually, if you've got a car you want to bring on the channel, drop me a message and we can talk about getting it on the channel and doing a review just like this and showing the world your pride and joy. But until next time, guys, peace out.